Hello, I am Anu and I'm a research fellow with the Humanized Lab at Monash University. In the next few minutes, I'll talk about some of my research ideas and how we can convert these into PhD projects for you. So let's start with a very simple question. Have you been to these complex public spaces? Do you remember how hard it was for you to find your way around? Now imagine that you are visually impaired. How much more harder do you think it would be for you to find your way around? Of course, there are public space floor plans like these, but they face difficulties, visually impaired users face difficulties in accessing these graphics. So, this is the main research idea I'm focusing on. Based on this, I have four sub-main ideas. The first is how do you conduct trip pre-planning and in-situ navigation? The second is how do you display accessible graphics for people with disabilities? The third is how do you conduct graphic recognition for public space floor plans when they are as complex as these? The last idea is how do you conduct graphic recognition for general infographics? Now, even though I talk mainly about visually impaired users, we can also think about people with other disabilities, such as motor disabilities and dementia. So, if your interests fall into any of these ones, more general ideas like accessibility, graphics, and human aspects of software engineering, then please drop me an email or let's talk on the recruitment day and decide how we can make a PhD project out of interesting ideas that you have that match with my research interests.